Andre the Giant, the 8th wonder of the world, making his way down to the ring.
There he is, Gorilla, the big man himself, Andre the Giant.
What a cold, hard stare coming from those eyes, Jess.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Grenoble in the French Alps, weighing 520 pounds, Andre the Giant.
Well, you know, Andre the Giant is the size of two men.
Well, Andre the Giant over the years has won, what, more battle royals than anyone in the history of professional wrestling?
Yeah, I think he's up on me by 1 or 2.
Oh, sorry I didn't mention that fact.
I think he leads me by 1 or 2. Look at the size of the Giant.
And he is enormous, Jess. Biggest I've ever seen Andre.
Well, I'll tell you, this is going to be the biggest test Andre ever had in his life, too.
Oh, there it is. Real American music means only one thing. Listen to this place erupt.
Well, you can definitely tell who the fan favorite is.
It is deafening in here.
I can't even hear myself think right now.
Is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Venice Beach, California, weighing 303 pounds, the
They go up and they go crazy or what, Jess? The entire world of Hulkamaniacs stand behind the Hulkster. Not like being out there with only one guy. You're looking at the greatest professional athlete in the world today.
For right now, Gorilla, he may not be a few moments from now. Let me run it down. Hogan, 6'8", 294, neck 21, chest 58, biceps at a phenomenal 24 inches, forearms 18, wrists 9 inches, hands 13 and a half, thighs 30 and a half, calves 20, the tail of the tape.
The music you hear in the background could mean only one thing. About to make his way down, Jake the Snake.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Stone Mountain, Georgia, weighing 249 pounds, Jake the Snake Roberts.
You know, Brian, right on the cover of the current issue of the World Wrestling magazine that's on the stands right now, Jake the Snake on the cover. Most interesting article inside about whether Damien is in fact the only friend this guy has. This guy might be a loner.
Of course he's a loner. Would you want to hang around with somebody this sneaky, this sleazy? Only a snake would want to run around with this low life.
Oh, look, you can't talk about the king like that.
I'm talking about the king. I'm talking about Jake the Snake Roberts.
Sorry.
You're not sorry.
Listen to the ovation just for the Ultimate Warrior. Here he comes. He's running.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Parts Unknown, weighing 275 pounds, the Ultimate Warrior.
Feel the electricity.
You get cut with a knife. Tremendous ovation. It's deafening in here. Well, that music means only one thing.
Mr. Perfect, as you can see right there, strutting down that aisle. Perfection and confidence.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Robbinsdale, Minnesota, weighing 260 pounds, this guy
Mr.
like
Perfect. Olympic type tights, Jess, is it not?
A little too colorful for the Olympics.
No, I mean the style, not the color.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, in my book, this guy can do it all. He's proven it. Say what you want about Mr. Perfect. Not too many guys come down the pike that have the skills that he possesses. Well, that music means only one thing.
Mr. Wonderful, Paul Orndorff, dangerous
contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Tampa, Florida, weighing 252 pounds, Paul, Mr. Wonderful Orndorff.
I'll give you this. I'll give credit where credit is due. No one is denying the wrestling ability or the capabilities or the physique of Paul Orndorff. Only some of the disgusting tactics that he uses.
Orndorff is ruthless. I'll say that about him.
Tito Santana will electrify this capacity crowd here.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Coming down the aisle from Toluca, Mexico, weighing 234 pounds, Tito Santana.
Former World Wrestling Federation Intercontinental Champion as well as co-holder of the Tag Team